Hello everybody, I am Val and I am a creator that likes to make earrings. Today I am going to show you a few things that I've made from or for the Jewelry Making Fun collab. This is a collaboration sponsored by Deb Huck of Dahlia Designs, and I thank her for sponsoring this and allowing us to show what we've made. And please watch all of the other creators that are involved in the collaboration when you're done with my video, and I will link all their information below. So let me get started. For this month, October, our colors are tangerine, rust, dark brown, black, and teal. And we could have like orange dyed howlite or magnesite, carnelian or red jasper, or red creek jasper. We can have bronzite, brown obsidian, smoky quartz or brown jasper, lava rock, black agate, black or gray jasper, black obsidian, black spinel, black onyx, turquoise, chrysoprase, chrysocolla, or any other teal dyed gem. And then our last part of this challenge is to make it autumn or fall themed. And so I have 3 things here, and some of my favorite pieces or materials to use I've used, and I'm going to show you my favorite ones that I did. Since rust is one of our colors, I wanted to get some copper in there, and I have these little copper teardrops. They're dainty, and then I added some jasper, and so this jasper is more on the the rust or orangey color, or almost even maroon. Very pretty. This one has a little green and some brown orange fall colorings to it. And then the top bead, it looks like it is turquoise colored, but it's called jasper sediment, I think is what the label was on that strand of beads. So I have some pretty jasper beads with copper findings, and then a little copper bead on the top. And my copper ear wires. These are my absolute favorites. I think these are some of my favorite things to work with this year. Copper and turquoise colored things, or either real turquoise. So I absolutely love those. I think maybe even I'll make a pendant, maybe make a little necklace set out of that. Love those. Okay, the next thing I did was just made a hoop earring with some seed beads, and then I added a charm in the middle. I made this little hoop. It's got a dragonfly in the middle, some more copper, and then I've got a copper earring wire at the top, and rust colored seed beads. They're like copper colored. So I thought those were sort of cute. And then the last pair are chandelier earrings. I'm definitely keeping with that rust colored theme because there's rust colors here, some brown, lots of fall themed colors, kind of mustard yellow in there, but I thought these really looked like leaves. So pretty gemstones there. Okay. Yeah, I like those gemstones. I'm just admiring those colors. And then also there's some little chandelier silver pieces, silver findings, and silver ear wires at the top. And so, yeah, my concentration this time was on earrings. And I would love for you to watch everyone else, after you watch my video, and see what you created. Tell me at the bottom, which was your favorite pair? Thank you for watching. Until next time in November 18th, will be in my next Jewelry Making Fun collab. Have a great day.